Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by installing and granting the Authenticator app its basic permissions so QR scanning and push notifications work. Next, sign in with the Microsoft account you will use. This ties tokens and pushes to your identity. Once done, open the app, tap Add Account, and choose Work or School Account to scan the portal QR or enter a setup code. Do this now to generate the first authentication credential that will be used for all subsequent sign-ins. You now handle the detailed configuration. Scan the provider's QR code or manually enter the setup key so the app creates a time-based code. Make sure to name the account and enable cloud backup. This saves your credentials in case you replace the phone. Once configured, perform a test sign-in from a browser or app and approve the push notification when prompted. This validates push authentication and the code rotation timing, ensuring the Authenticator works reliably for access. You finish by enabling cloud backup so your Authenticator accounts can be restored on a new device. This prevents lockout. Also register at least one alternate method, like a phone number or printed recovery codes, and store them securely. Once done, remove old device entries from your account security page. If something goes wrong, such as push notifications failing, make sure to use the one-time codes in the app or rescan the QR on your account's security portal to re-establish credentials.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.